going to do some fried eggplant today. Not just regular eggplant though. We've decided to use Japanese eggplant, which is so good. So to start off, I'm just going to quickly cut the eggplant into slices that I feel will be good for frying. And then just toss those in a little bit of flour just to dry them off a little bit because eggplants have a lot of moisture. So here I have regular flour, just AP flour, cornstarch. That's really the most essential thing, is to add some cornstarch into your regular flour, and salt. Then you start adding the wet things, and that would be an egg and a beer. And there you go. You've got a nice simple batter that works beautifully. So here I have oil. I'm going to use a chopstick because it's just my favorite way to barely even touch the eggplant after it has the batter. So you dip them in like so, and I've got the oil at 350, and let's fry. This is a nice light batter. It's not too thick and heavy. I don't like thick batters. I like for everything to be kind of fluffy when it comes out of the fryer. And that shouldn't take long at all to fry. And it smells deliciously of frying beer. I know that sounds bizarre, but it's really yummy. Oh, lovely. So these are getting beautifully golden. Our eggplants are done. So make sure you always have a little cookie sheet to dry them off on. And look how gorgeous they are. Wow. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them right into the bowl. And there you have it, beautifully crispy eggplant, not greasy, delicious, and a great ponzu dipping sauce to go with it. To make yourself a delicious tempura eggplant with my recipe, go to checkpleasefl.com.